Hello friends, welcome to the lecture on computer assisted audit technique using IDEA. Today I am covering chapter 3 data analysis using IDEA. I am Alok Gupta mentoring this session. Learning objective. Understanding on importing different file format into IDEA. Generate field statistics for the database. Understanding formatting data. Introduction. IDEA is a powerful and user-friendly data analysis tool designed to help auditors, accountants, and other financial professionals perform data analysis quickly to help improve audits and identify control breakdowns. IDEA allows you to analyze 100% of your data, guarantees data integrity, and provides easy analysis. It simplifies the work of importing and analyzing data to report and deliver actionable result. Come to desktop. We will open IDEA. Click over here. Type IDEA. Double click on IDEA icon. This screen will appear. This is the first screen of IDEA. So basic screen. A file listed here is a IDEA files. There are files. It's a sample, advanced file, sample authorization, sample bank transactions. Click on it. Sample any file. It's on a sample customer file. As you double click on this file open in middle section of the screen. In a right side there is a property section. Property vendors appeared. In middle there is a file. If you want to open another file, then double click on next file. It will open a second tab for the file. Here is the first tab for the customer file and second tab for the employee files. These are the records. Those are listed in a customer files. In this screen at the bottom section, there is a path. It's a working folder. It's a C program file, IDEA, user file, sample. This is a working location where we are working. And at the bottom side, there is a file open here. It's a customer. Total number of record is listed here. It's a total number of record. Now, if you want to use the IDEA, first we should import data. So that we required first set the working folder. Just come to file menu and select the option. It's a set working folder. Here is the option set working folder. Shortcut is a Control W. Click on a set working folder. Default location is here. I'm setting a location in my computer. So G drive. And here's the demo folder. This is the default. This is the location in my computer where I want to import the data. Just click on open. This is the working location. Project name is A. As click on A. Do you want to close database? Yes, close these database. So this is the default location, and see at the bottom of a status bar. Here is the working folder G, Advanced ITT course, Alok Gupta, IDEA and demo. This is the default working location. Now in next step, we should import data from where, from the location where the data is reside. For importing a data, come to a file menu. There is the option import assistant and there is the option import to IDEA. From menu you can select this option import to IDEA, or you can click on directly on a icon. It's a import to IDEA. Just click on this icon or from a menu option import assistant. Click on it. There is a dialog box appeared. It's a import assistant. Here is the select the format. There's a number of file format in which format you want to import data. I'm selecting here. It's an Excel format and specify the location where the file exists. Find a location. Just come to a C drive. It's a program files. Here is the IDEA and then user files. Then is the sample and then select a sample. This is the default library of IDEA where I am importing data. Just click on a open button. As you click on a open button, the location is specified in the file name and click on a next button. As you click on a next button, there is a option select sheet to import. These are the files in Excel format in a sheet form. These are the files are here. Select the file which you want to import. It's a sales representative, inventory, detail sales, supplier, customer, employee, payment, and bank transaction. Select all the file you want to import. In this section, here is in a preview section, we see the data of a bank transaction. There is a heading is a column 1, column 2, column 3. You want a proper heading. Here is the in the row 1 heading is a transaction ID, which is not treated as a right now as a heading. It's just a record. If you want a first row is a heading row, then just it's a first row is a field name. Click on this. As you click on this, this first row is treated as a heading row. Now click on OK button. As you click on OK button, all the data imported here. So these are the file imported. If you want to import another file of a customer, then again click on this option and select the file and import here. Select the table which you want. Say I'm selecting a table. By default is a sample sales representative. Second is a employee. Third is a customer. Which table you want to select, just double click on it and a separate tab is opened for that table. Select a table sales representative. Now here is a heading. It says salesperson representative number, sales representative first name, sales representative last name. Say if you want to arrange the data in ascending and descending order according to sales representative first name, just double click on this heading. It's a sales representative first. Double click on it. This will arrange the data in ascending order. As you double click on it, it will create a index. It's appear on a property window. It's a sales representative first oblique show the data is in a ascending order. And you again double click on this section. It will arrange the data in descending order on a sales representative first oblique D. If you want to arrange data again in ascending and descending order according to sales representative or salary base on according to salary, then double click on a salary column. It's again creating an index. Here is a salary oblique ascending order, and again double click, then it's again creating in a descending order. Here is in indexes. There's a index. Indices is a index is created here, and in which format you want to see the data, just click on this option. Say you want data accordingly sales representative first, then click on this ascending order. This will arrange data in ascending order. If you want sales representative name in a descending order, then click on the descending order. This will create a list of the ascending and descending order. Just click on it and data automatically arrange accordingly. Now right click on a column heading. There is a dialog box appear. Here is a option activated. It's a column setting. Just click on a column setting. Now this is the column setting dialog box appeared. There's a in general tab. There's the first option filter on. By default all field are selected. If you want to select only a character field, as you click on a character field, only character field are appeared here. If you want a numeric field only, just click on a numeric field. This will show only the numeric field. And by default there is an option all field are selected. Character field default is a left align and numeric field default is a right align. If you want to change any alignment or other setting, then using this dialog box you can change the setting. Say I want a salary column with a background color is a, then click on OK, and then this will change the color. Now this change the text color. Again come to a column setting. There is an option salary and select. This is a text color I am selected here. It's a default is a it's a black color, and background color from here select this option and then click on OK. As you click on OK, this will change the column color. So if you want to change some setting, then come to this option, right click on a column heading and click on a column setting. For which column you want the setting, just select it and change accordingly. Select the column, just click on it. It will select whole the column, and then right click on this option, and as you right click on this option, this will activate all the options those are deactivated previously. This is the option column setting. hide field. If you want to hide the sales representative last, just click on this option. It will hide the column. Now here is the option. Right click on it and then want to show all field, just click on this. This will again show all field. Select the column and then right click on it. If you want to freeze a column, say commission you want to freeze, as you click on a freeze column, it will come to the first location and then you can move the data accordingly. Now if you want to unfreeze the column, then go to the unfreeze option. To check the freeze option, just come to a next table. It's a customer table. I want a first column should be freeze. Then select this column, right click on it and then click on a freeze column. As you click on a freeze column, the first name should appear on a first location and then just move from here, will move. Now first column location is fixed. So this is the option is a freeze column. Right click on it, again select the column and right click on it and then right click on it, then off the freeze column. Next select the column last name, right click on it. There is an option stack left or stack right. Same. Again select the column and then stack left or stack right. Where you want to stack this, click on a stack left or stack right. It will appear like that. Here is the first is the last name, then is the first name is appear below. Now unstack all the column and then select the column last name and stack left. This will appear first name is the first and last name at the bottom of a first name. So this is the option stack. Unstack all. Again select the column and right click on it. So there is the option hide field, column setting, freeze column, stack left and right. Next select the row and then right click over here. There is the options appear. There are different options available here. Insert virtual field. Say you want to insert a field, just select a last column, say credit limit and then right click on here and click on a insert virtual field. As you click on insert virtual field, a field appear here. It asks the field name, just type the field name, say it's a commission. Field type, select the data type, it's a numeric. Field length default is 1. Decimal place, here is the option parameter and there is the option appear here. It's a small window. Just click on this. As you click on this, this will open a equation editor dialog box. In a equation editor dialog box, you should select the field from which you want the data. I want the data from an option, it's a credit limit. Double click on this credit limit. It will appear on this section and I want a 20% of this credit limit. Just type the equation here, multiplied by, it's a 0.2 and then here is the option, validation option. This equation is right or wrong. You want to check, just click on this option. As you click on this option, this will check the equation. If there is an error, it will show an error. If there is no error, then validate the equation, show the message valid equation. Click on OK. After clicking this, just click on this option. It's a validate and exit. Click on this option, validate and exit. This equation appear here. Now I'm selected a column. Field name is a commission. Name column should appear at the last near to the credit limit and commission column contain a value. It's a credit limit multiplied by 0.02. It's a 20% of a credit limit. As you click on a credit limit, now the next column appear and there is a 20% of a credit limit. Always the virtual field text appear differently, so there is a different color is appeared and show this is the virtual field. So if you want to add any field, it's a text type or numeric type, you add here using this option. In property dialog box, there are different options. First, data is selected. Second option is the history. As you click on a history option, this will show the history. What we have done in this customer table, we have imported data from locations. So this is the data where we imported data. It's a location. Next, we add a field. It's a commission field. We added here. This will show the history what what we executed on this file. Next, if you want again data, then again click on this data tab. As you click on a data tab, this will show the data. Third option is a field statistics. As you click on a field statistic, it will create a field statistics for a numeric field by default. If there is any field, it's a date type, it create a statistic for the date type field and time type field. But here is a no date and time type of field existed, only a numeric fields or text field. Field statistic created for only for the numeric date and time type of data type. Next, again come back to the data option. Just click on a data option. It will show the data here. Next is the control total. It create on a numeric field. Click on a control total. There are two numeric field. One is the commission. Second is the credit limit. If you want to calculate a control total on a credit limit, just click on it. It will create a control total. It's this figure. If you want to create on a commission, just again click on this option and select option commission. Click on OK button. It will create a control total on commission. It's a 46,21,000. Now again come to the data. Next option is the criteria. Say if you want to filter a data or select a data according to your requirement, then click on a criteria option. As you click on a criteria option, open an equation editor dialog box. Say I want a data according to country, then select the field country, double click on a country field, use operator equal to sign and type country name. It's in a double quotes, the China. Then validate the equation, click on a validate button, validate equation, OK, and click on a validate and exit. As you click on a validate and exit, it will show only the record from country China. Again, if you want all the record, then come to again criteria option and select this criteria, remove this criteria and again validate the equation. This will show all the record. Again click on a criteria section, type a country name, equal to operator. Now type a country name, China, and validate equation. OK, then run the equation, validate and exit. There is no record shown because this idea is a case sensitive language. In our database, the China is written in a uppercase. So if it is in a small case or in it small, it cannot match with the data and it cannot show the result. So please type in a capital letter China and then validate equation. OK, and then validate and exit. This will show the record of China. If you want all the record, then again come to the same way, click on this, delete this equation, validate this equation and then validate and exit. Next, select a record and right click on this record. This is the option insert virtual field we discussed earlier, delete virtual field we discussed as earlier. Next option is a field manipulation. Click on a field manipulation option. As you click on a field manipulation option, a dialog box appears and here they show the field name, field data type, it's a character, then again is the field name and it's a data type. If you want to change a data type, say we have a field customer number, here is a customer number, is a numeric data, but here data type is a character. You want to change in a numeric format, then right click on it, click on it. As you click on it, it will show the data type in which you want to change. It's a date, it's a numeric, it's a time. Now I want to change in a numeric format, click on a numeric option. As you click on a numeric option, just click on a OK button. As you click on OK button, now just a dialog box appears, show a message. Do you want to continue with change you have just made? Click on yes option. As you click on yes, it will change into a numeric form. It shows as a right aligned text. Before changes, the customer number is a left aligned. If you want to check again, then again right click, field manipulation, and then again change to a character type. Want to change in a character, then click on OK button. As you click on OK button, now again show the dialog box. Do you want to continue with the changes you have just made? Click on yes button. Now data is a left aligned. So if you want to change numeric data to a text data and text to numeric, so this way you can change the data type. In IDEA, there are a number of menu options are existed. There is a file menu, edit menu, view menu, data, and analysis, sampling, tool, window, and help. In analysis menu, there is an option is a summarization. If you want to data be summarized, then click on this option. It's a summarization. Just click on a summarization option. As you click on this summarization option, a summarization dialog box appear here. Field to be summarized. We want to summarize data according to country. Then select a field name. It's a country name, and then the data on which summary is generated on a numeric field only. Now create summary on a credit limit as well as you want a summary on a commission option. Select both the field. Here is the option in a summarization what information you want. It's a sum, maximize value, minimize value, average value, standard deviation, variation, which options you want, activate it, and which option you don't want, deactivate it. Just click on OK button. Before clicking OK button, there are a number of fields are available. Just select option field. If there are more number numeric fields are available here, then which field you want to create in a summary option and which field you don't want to create in a summary option. So according your choice, according your demand, you can add field or remove it. Click on OK button. As you click on OK button, it will create a summary according to country. Argentina. There are total number of records are 18. Then credit limit sum is this one. Then commission sum is this one. Credit limit maximum value is this one. Now credit commission maximum value is this one. So this way it create a summary for all the countries. Argentina, there's total number of record 18. Here is a hyperlink by default is developed. As you click on this option, this will show the 18 records of the country Argentina, and here is the complete information: customer number, company, first name, last name, country, etc. All the records from the Argentina. So these are the total 18 records from Argentina. Done. Similarly, if you want a record from Australia, just click on it. Will show all the record from the Australia. So this is where we can generate a summarization. So this is the summarization option. If you want to create a field statistics for all these numeric field, then click on the option. It's a field statistics. Just click on it. It will create a field statistics for all the field. For which field you want to see the statistics, just on and click on off. Click off. So on which field you want summarization, just check on, it will show information here, and you don't want, then off from here. So this way you can do the summarization. Click here and show this summarization option. Again back to the data option. Next option is sampling. Sampling are of two types: probability based and statistical. Probability based sampling can be further classified into three types. One is the systematical sampling, second is the random sampling, third is the stratified random sampling. Systematical sampling, a method to extract a number of records from a database at equal intervals is called systematical sampling. Second is the random sampling. Enter the sample size as well as the range of records from which the sample is to be extracted to a separate database. It's a random sampling. Now, third type of sampling is called a stratified random sampling. First, stratify the data in this sampling and then enter the sample size as well as the range of record from which the sample is to be extracted to a separate database. For sampling, come to the sampling menu, click on this menu. There are three types of sampling: systematical, random, stratified random sampling. First is a systematical sampling. As you click on a systematical sampling, systematical sample dialog box appeared. Here, number of records option, selection interval is 1, number of records selected 314. In customer table, there are total 314 records. So, they are showing total number of records selected 314. If you want a sample from particular location, then you can record number or position here, just delete the old number and from, say I'm typing from the 20, and we want a sample. How number of sample you want? Type here number of sample, and I want a say 15 sample. And what's the interval? Selection interval is interval is 1. Then click on a selection interval tab and define your selection interval. Say selection interval is a 5. So 5. As you click on 5, just come back to the number of record. Here is the default. The interval is selected from the this section's previous selection interval dialog box. It's come to here. It's a 5. Number of record are 15, and starting from the record number 20 and ending range is the 340. If you want these 15 sample come in equal interval, then just click on a compute button. As you click on a compute button, it will automatically calculate the equal interval. It's a 21, and which field you want, it's select on a field option. Here all fields are selected. If you want some field, then select accordingly. Clear all, and then which field you want, then select it, include all or clear all. There's the options. Select. Say I don't want a commission field, then drop it and click on OK button, and then click on OK. As you click on OK, it will show a sample of 15 record with equal interval, and there is a no column is a commission, which we dropped. So this is the sample, and it will create a separate file from the customer file. It's a systematical sampling. Come back to the customer table. Second sampling is a random sampling. Click on a random sampling. As you click on a random sampling, the random record sampling dialog box appears. Number of record to select, number of sample record, type here, it's a 25 sample. In random sampling, there is a random number seed is automatically generated by a software. Now this is the number. If you want to change, you change it. Say I put it here, it's a 159, it's a random seed number. Starting locations, total record in a customer table, it's a 314. It's a start from the 1 and end from 314. And if you want a selected field, then select the field option. Now just click on a OK option, click OK button. It will show a 25 random samples. Click on OK. Now, so these are the 25 random sample appeared here. If you want next sample, then again come to the customer table, again sampling, random number, again next sample. For next sample, total number of required 25, and again put a new seed number. It's a default seed number, random seed number through the software. Just click on OK. This will show again a different 25 records. Here is the first, the random samples. Here is the second random sample. The customer number are different on those samples in both two samples. Next option is a stratified random sampling. Come to a sampling menu. There is a third option as the stratified random sampling. Click on stratified random sampling. Stratification assistant dialog box appear. Here there are two types of stratification. One is a numeric stratification, second is a character stratification. First, we will continue with the perform a numeric stratification. Just click on a continue button. As you click on a continue button, a stratification dialog box appear. Here, field to stratify. Stratification only exists on a numeric data because we earlier selected a numeric stratification. Here is the default credit limit. Field is appeared from a database file. It's a customer table. Next, increment by default here is a 10,000. If you want to change that, remove this increment and type here increment according to your demand. First limit is a 1000. Just click over here. It will automatically add the 1000 plus 5000. It's a difference 6000. Then click again on this option. Then again click on a row. Again click on a row, and then it will add a 5000 and differences appear like that. Now check out in a database what is the maximum value up to there. You click and it will increase with a difference of a 5000. It's a lower limit. It's an upper limit. At least select one numeric field. Here is the credit limit, and just click on a OK button. As you click on a OK button, it will create a stratification. Here is the stratified random sample table appeared. Now lower stratum, it's start from 0 to 1000. There is a no record, means in a credit column, credit limit column, there is a no person exists whose credit limit is a less than 1000. But from 1000 to 6000, there are number of records are 126. 6000 to 11,000, number of records are 65. 11,000 to 16,000, number of records are 24. Here select the sample size. First sample size, total number of record 126. Out of 126, now the number of sample you want, I am writing here just a 5. Here I am writing here just a 4 sample. Then here is a 5. Here is a 3. It's up to you. It's a your choice which sample, which number of sample you want. Just click on the OK button. As you click on OK button, it will create a stratified record. This is the stratified sampling. Here are total number of record in this strata. It's a 17. We selected a 17 record. Here is the rand sample 2 IMD file is created for the stratified random sample. Now close the random sample IMD2. So select this sample, close it, and a stratified IMD, close it. Then again come to a main table. It's a customer IMD. Again come to a sample menu, and next again click to the stratified random sample, and in this time in second step we'll do for the character stratification. Perform a character stratification. Click on a continue button. As you click on a continue button, again is the stratification box is appeared here. Here is a fields. Those are the character types of fields. Select a name. It's a country. Select a field country, and here is a select at least one numeric column. It's a credit limit. Now here you can type a strata. Here is for a strata purpose. You should write a letter. It's a A. Then click over here. It's a B. B. Then click over here C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. It means we want to find a record from A to B. Those letters started from A, then from B, then from C, then from D, and it's up to from the L. Just click on OK button. As you click on OK button, this will show the record. Here is a no record is found from start from a letter A, start from a letter B, start from a letter C, because IDEA is a case sensitive language, and I am writing here a small a, but all the name are of a country from a capital letter, so that they do not show any records. Click on OK, cancel, and again come to a sampling, stratified random sampling. Cancel this sampling, delete this file, and then again come to a customer table sampling, stratified random sampling. Perform a character sampling, select option, continue, and then select a field to stratify. It's a country. Select a numeric field. It's a credit limit. Here is a type a caps lock on from a keyboard and type a letter A, then from B, then C, then is the D, E, F, then click on OK button. As you click on OK button, this will show the data. The country started from A, it's a 43, started from B, it's a 26, started from 3, it's a 30. Now sample which you want. Say I want a country name started from A letter should appear as a 5 country we want, then 5. From B letter, it's a 5. From C letter, it's a 5. From D letter, it's a 2. And there are total record. I've selected here, it's a 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2. It's a 17 record. Want more, then again 2. Now, then again is a 1. Total 20 records are, I'm selected from a sample size here. It's a 5 plus 5, 10, plus 5, 15, and 5, 20. Click on OK button. As you click on OK button, total 20 records are appeared here. Now, select the country. Double click over here. Arrange in ascending order. First 5 records from Australia. It's started from A. Then 5 records from B. Then 3 records from C. Sorry, 5 records from C. Then 2 records from D. And 2 records from E. And 1 record from F. It's according to criteria which we specify in an earlier screen. It's a sample size. So this is the character type of stratification. So using a stratification, we can do stratification on both type of field. It's a numeric as well as text type of data type. Next option is stratification. Involves creating band based on range of value and accumulating the records from the database into the appropriate band. It's a stratification. Data can be stratified based using the numeric, date or character field to select a random sample of records. For stratification, select analysis option from menu. Click on analysis menu. Here is the option, third option is a stratification. Click on a stratification option. As you click on a stratification option, a dialog box of stratification is appeared here. Default, I'm selecting a field, it's a country. Then select a numeric field, it's a credit limit. If you want, then select a name, upper limit and lower limit. It's a type here A. Then click over next row, it's a band B. Next is a C. Next is a D, E, F. If you want more, then type more letters. Then click on a OK button. Now in this stratification, we now selected a option. It's a group. Default is a tone group. Then click on a OK button. You must select at least one numeric field of total of each stratum to select a credit limit and click on OK button. As you click on OK button, it will show the record accordingly, strata-wise. Here, record start from A is a 43, record start from B is a 26, from C it's a 30, from D is a 5, from E are the 8. Just click on option. Here is the hyperlink. As you click on this 8 option is here extract record. As you click on extract record, it will create a new file. Then if you want only to see the record, just click on a display record. As you click on display record, now this will show. I've selected the option, it's a E. These all are the country, England. Done. Then select from D. As you click display record, then all these are the record from the Denmark. Done. Then click on A. Display record. All these record from the started from a letter A. There are some record from the Australia, some from the Argentina. Some from the Australia and some from the Argentina. So this is the stratification of record. Now, credit limit, it's a 780 and percentage on a credit limit, it's a 3.38. So these are the records accordingly. Next, click on option, it's a data option. As you click on data option, it will show the data. Now, if you want to see the stratification, then again come to the analysis, stratification, then again select the table. Now, in this time, we select option group. Here I am selecting a option in an option group by as a state. Here is a group by as a state, and then select a field as a country to stratify. Then select a numeric field, it's a credit limit. Type the letter over here, it's a, then is a B, then is a C, then D, E, F, and click on OK button. As you click on OK button, now here is the credit limit field. Status, it's A. These are the records. If you want from state I, then click over here. These are the record whose status is only to record, display the record. Here is the record, it's a status I. Done. If you select the status P, it's a group. There is a no record from the A, B, C, D in a group state P, and select the state A, and then as you click on this display record, is all other statuses A. So here is the stratification using a group option on a status. Now here is a stratification is created over here. Now default is a stratification 5 is selected, previous stratification is a stratification 4. Just click over here, show the record. Then or previous stratification is a stratification 3. Then again is a stratification 2, 1. So these all are stratification come in a result option. If you want to go to see the table, customer table record, just click over here. The option is a data. Show the data. If you want to see the stratification, just click over here. You want to go back to the data, just click over here. Next option is a sorting. Sorting, create a new database in which its records are physically stored in a specified order. In IDEA, we have two options to arrange data in ascending and descending order. One is a indices or index, and second is a sorting. Using sorting, we can create a separate file for the sorting. This will again occupy a extra space. Indices occupy less space. For sorting, first come to a data tab, data menu. In a data menu, there is an option sort. Click on a sort option. As you click on a sort option, sort database dialog box appear. On which field you want to sort the data, just select the field name. Say it's a first name. As you click on OK button, it will create a sort. This is a first name, ascending order. It's a sorted database. So database arranged in ascending or descending order. This is a file. It's a sorted database. File is created. This is a separate database from the customer. Both tables have a same record, but in this file, data is arranged according to the first name. Again, select the main table. It's a sample customer. And then again come to a data tab, sort, and select another field. It's a country, and click on OK button. As you click on OK button, one more sorted databases appeared here. So these are the files are created similar as a sample customer file, but data is arranged according to the field. In this table, in a second table, it's a data field is arranged according to the country. In a first sorted database, the data is arranged according to the first. Next option is a duplicate detection. To test for duplicate data. Duplicate detection option exists in an analysis menu. Select the analysis menu. Here is the option duplicate key. In a duplicate key, there is the option is a detection. Just click on a detection option. As you click on a detection option, there is a duplicate key detection dialog box appeared in front of you. Here are two options. First is a output duplicate record. Second is the output record without duplicate. Here I am selecting a first option, output duplicate record, means I want a duplicate record. For finding a duplicate record, first define the field on which you want a duplicate value. Here is the option key. Just click on a key button. As you click on a key button, it will show the field name. Just select a field name, it's a first name, and then click over on a second row. Then click on a drop down option and select a last name. This is the field first name and last name on which you want a duplicate data. Just click on a OK button. If you want more field, then select from here. If you want delete, then delete from here. Then click on OK button. As you click on OK button, now this is the dialog box written. Again, control back to duplicate key detection, and then click on OK button. As you click on OK button, there is a no duplicate record is found here. Here I am selected a wrong table. Just select a main table, it's a customer sample, and then again come to the duplicate detection option. From analysis, duplicate key detection, select a key, it's a first name, then next key is the last name, click on OK button. As you click on OK button, this will show a duplicate record here. The two records are the same, those are the first name and last name are same. These are the record number 20781 and 40307, both are the same first name and last name. Similarly, 20532 and 41916 have the same first name and last name. This is a duplicate detection. Close this duplicate detection option and then again come to analysis menu, duplicate key detection, and here is the second option is the output record without duplicate. In our sample customer table, there are total number of record are the 314 that are shown at the bottom line here. It's a path as well as the total number of record. Then select a key field on which you don't want a duplicate record. Then select the first name again and then last name. And click on OK button. As you click on OK button, this is the same dialog box appears, a duplicate key detection. Click on OK button. As you click on OK button, now total number of records are listed here. At the bottom line, it's a 310 records are appear here. 4 records are missing. 4 records are duplicate record which are not existed in this table. Here is the heading. It's a non-duplicate record, and previously we have created a duplicate record. So these tables are created over here. These are the duplicates. 1, 2 are created here. Close from here and again come to the back main table. It's a sample customer table. Next option is a duplication, is a exclusion. Click on exclusion, duplicate key exclusion. Select the same field, it's a first name and last name, and select field that must be different. It's a country. Now we want a duplicate record that have a same value on a first name and last name, but country name should be different. Just click on it. As you click on it, it will show the record. First name and last name both are the same, but country of both record are different. Next option is a gap detection. To test for gaps in the data number sequence, there is an option is known as a gap detection. In our customer table, here is a customer number and first record is started from the 10,000. Now the second record is a customer number 10,003. Here is a gap existed of two record 10,001 and 10,002 does not exist. Then next is a 5, 6, 7, and then from 10,007 next record after 10,007 is a 10,101, around 93 record are missing. If you want this type of gap detection, then come to the option, it's a analysis, and here is the option gap detection. Click on this gap detection option. As you click on gap detection option, select the field name. Here is a customer number. Now sample record, it's a 10,000, and then mask record is a 10,000. Just click over here. As you click over here, it will show the difference. Here is a plus sign, show it's a customer number, 2 record are missing. Then here is this is the range from and to. Here is a 93 record are missing. Next is it's a 10,103 to 10,298 record are missing. So these are the number of record those are missing from a customer number. Come back to the option. Again is on a click on a data option. It will show the data. Now select the sample customer table and right click over here on a record, on a record, and here is the option select field manipulation. On a field manipulation option, we will see here customer number data type is a character. Just change this character data type to numeric data type. Select option, click on a character option. As you click on a character, there is a option dialog box appear here. It's a date, numeric and time. Click on a numeric option. As you click on a numeric option, it will convert it to numeric format from character to numeric and click on a OK button. As you click on a OK button, there is a dialog box appear Do you want to continue with the change you have just made? Click on a yes button. As you click on a yes button, customer number automatically converted into a numeric format, and all these numbers are the right aligned. Previously they are the left aligned. After conversion of customer number data type, just select option analysis and again come to the option gap detection. As you click on gap detection, the message windows appear. Statistics not available for all the fields. You wish to create statistics for all field without statistics. Click on yes option. As you click on yes option, by default field customer number is selected here. Now the changes effect is starting key automatically. If the customer number is a numeric data type, then it will automatically select the starting number range. That's a 10,000. Start from record 10,000 and ending key value it's a 94,211. And what's the gap increment is a 1. Just click on the OK button. As you click on OK button, it will show the gap increment. This is the 1001 to 10,001 to 10,002. There are 2 records are missing. Here from the 10,008 to 10,193 record are missing. Here is the 10,103 to 10,298 record are missing. Next is the 10,202 to 10,202 1 record is missing. So these are the list here. Now again, if you come back to the main database, just click on an option. It's a data. So this is the option. This way we can find out the gap detection. Next option is the aging analysis. Aging. To age a selected database from a particular date for up to 6 specified interval. These interval can be days, month or years. Select payment table. Then come to a analysis menu. There is the option aging. Click on an aging option. As you click on aging option, a dialog box of aging appear here. Aging interval is default available in days. If you want to change the aging interval, then change to a month or year. As you click on a month, aging interval come into a month. As you click on a year, it will come into a year difference. But here, default interval is in a days. It's a 30 days, then 60 days, 90 days at an interval of a 30 days. Default aging field we selected from a table. Here is the two date type of field. One is the invoice date, second is the pay date. Select invoice date. Aging date set here for the our data is in a year of a 2008, so that I am putting here a 2008 March 03 31st March 2008. Here is the format of a YY MMDD. Just type the date here and click over here. OK. As you click over here, it will show the aging. Here are the 4 records, 120, 180 days old. Just click on this 4 option. Display record. Now these are the record. Here is the invoice date is a invoice date is the 31st December 2004, and then pay date is a 2008. It's a difference of 180 days plus more, and this show the aging, how old these record. Then here is the 90 days old record. Just display the record. These are the record. It's a 90 days old from the date what we have entered is the aging date. It's a 31st March 2008. So this is the effect that show the aging. Now, if you want to come back to the data, just click on a data option. As you click on a data, will show the data. This is the aging option. Next is the data extraction. To perform an extraction to identify accounts where the new credit limit has been exceeded. For extraction, click on a data menu. There is the first option, the extraction. There are 4 types of extraction: direct extraction, index extraction, key value extraction, and top record extraction. First is a direct extraction. As you click on a direct extraction dialog box appear here. Here is the extraction 1, name, total number of record extracted, is a all record. If you have any choice, then click on a range option, and you want to extract record from a 1 to say 100, then click on a 100, or you can say click on a 20 or 32 record. Just click on a extract option. As you click on the OK button, this will extract the record, and total number of record those are extracted here are the 32. This is the file. Extraction is created under a payment file. Here is a payment file under which extraction one is created. Now again come to a main file. Then again come to a data. Click on extraction, direct extraction again. If you want to extract 20 record, then here put the 20 record. Or if you want a in extraction any conditions, then here is the extraction. Here is the criteria option. Click on a criteria. This is a dialog box. Say you want a data. It's a amount. It's greater than or equal to say 20,000. Validate the equation and then extract the record. So this is the criteria on extraction 2. Just click on OK button. As you click on OK button, it will extract all the record whose credit limit, whose amount is greater than 20,000. Total number of record available in our table is amount is greater than 20,000 or 7. So show only the 7 record. Now again come to a main table. It's a sample table, and then again come to a data menu and extraction. And second extraction is a indexed extraction. As you click on indexed extraction, default field list selectors are posted by say you want a data according to amount in ascending order or descending order. Select. Then it's a condition value greater than. Put it here condition. It's a greater than 5,000. Now click on a OK button. As you click on OK button, this will show the extracted record. Here are the total 96 records are extracted, and all these are value greater than 5,000. Just click on ascending order. This will arrange automatically in an ascending order data organized on a amount field. Now close the payment table and select the next table. It's a sample customer. And come to a data menu. An extraction option group, there is the option, it's a key value extraction. Click on a key value extraction. Here is the select record group, existing keys, select a keys in which sorting are done already. Now select the key, it's a country. As you select country, overall it will select there are the 52 unique key value in the database. Unselect all the country, here is the option clear all, and then select say Argentina, and then selecting it's a Canada, and then last one is the USA. Here I'm selected 3 country, Argentina, Canada and USA. Just click on OK. As you click on OK, it will create a key value echo. To show the key value extraction, first is a key value Argentina, second is created here, it's a key value is a Canada, third is a key value USA, and so that the data is arranged accordingly key value and create a separate table for each and every key value. This is for the Argentina, this is for the Canada, and this is for the USA. So this is the key value extraction. Now come back to the main table. It's a sample customer, and then again come to a data menu. Here is the extraction, and last extraction is the top record extraction. Click on a top record extraction. As you click on a top record extraction dialog box appeared. Total number of record to be extracted. Here select a number of record, 15 record. Type of extraction, it's a top record and bottom records. I'm selecting here is a top record 4. Select a field for which you want a top record. Here is a numeric field, it's a credit limit. Select a credit limit. If you want a grouping, then go to the group option. Here is a field. But right now I'm not selecting any grouping option. Now, default customer number is selected here. If you don't want grouping, then here is the option delete field. Click on a delete field. It will remove from here. Just click on a OK button. As you click on a OK button, it will show the record accordingly. As you click on OK, here show 15 record, and here is the data arranged in top 15 record according to credit limit. Again come back to the main table, customer table. So there are 4 type of extraction. It's a direct extraction, index extraction, key value extraction, and top record extractions. Next topic is the Benford law. To compare the data with the data pattern predicted by the Benford law analysis. Benford defined a probability of a number which appear on a numeric data. It's a Benford probability according to Benford law. With the help of Benford law, we can compare our numeric data with the Benford probability numbers. For Benford law, select analysis menu. There is the second last option, Benford law. Click on a Benford law option. A dialog box of Benford law appear here. Now, field to analyze. For analyzing a Benford law, I am selecting a field. It's a credit limit. It's a numeric field. Here is the result. Create result Benford. Here is the analysis type. First digit analysis, first 2-digit analysis, first 3-digit analysis, second digit analysis. First, switch off all these 3 and just select first digit analysis. Benford first digit. Just click on OK. As you click on OK, it will create a first digit analysis. Here is the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Expected value 1 according to Benford is a probability 94.52. Low bound is a 88.81. High bound is a 100.23. But the actual value in our data is a 66%. This is the difference from the expected is a 28.52. Similarly, probability of 2 is a 55%. Low bound is a 50%. High bound is a 60%. But actual is a 65%. Through this difference, we can compare if this difference is too high and too low. Then we should further investigate the data is right or wrong. So this way we can use the Benford analysis. Again come back to the main table. It's a customer table. Again come to analysis menu. Click on a Benford law, and here is the select 2-digit Benford analysis, 3-digit and second. Just click on OK button. As you click on OK button, it will create a 2-digit Benford probability. Here is the digit 10. Expected probability is the 13, low bound is a 10, high bound is this, and actual in our data is a 29. Our difference is a 16. Similarly, here is the probability up to the 2-digit 90 up to 99 digits. So this way we can calculate or compare between the numeric data. Next is the reporting part. Reporting part is used to generate a report for the current active database. It's a reporting section. If you want to create a report, then come to a file menu, select option print. Here is the option, it's a create menu. Just select the option create report. Just click on a create report. As you click on a create report, report assistant dialog box appears. Here is the what type of report would you like to build, horizontal or vertical. Default is a horizontal. If you want vertical, it will show the data like that. Just select a horizontal. Now use existing report, default report. Then click on a next button. As you click on a next button, define the name and alignment for each of the field. Customer number is a right align. It's a numeric type of field. Company is a text field, so that it's a left align. If you want to change the alignment, then select the alignment option from here. Then again click on a next button. As you click on a next button, select what field would you like to report to event. Here, select the field. It's according to country. You want a report according to country. So country-wise report should create here. Then select the next option. Here is the break key is a country. Now break on this field, show shading, and text is on a black color, and background shade if you want or want to change, then select from here. Here is the field of the total calculated on a customer number. No, calculate on a credit limit or commission, calculate total. Show heading and then on the currency symbol if you want. And here is the text and then background. And click on the next button. Again select the total on a credit and commission. Here is the background color. You want to shade it, then select the shade. And then click on next button. This is the cover page of a report. You want a cover page, then select this option, print cover page, title, it's a report. 2015 comments, customer report prepared by if you want header, then here is the header. If you want footer, then click here is the header and footer. By default, here is the date upper left and time is the upper right. Then click on a finish option. If you want to review the report, you just create it, click on a yes button. As you click on a yes button, now not all column fit on the report. Try to reduce the font size, size to fit. Yes, click on yes. This is the cover page. Then click on a next page. Here is the report, and here is the record according to city. Now here are the records. It's all record from the Argentina. It's creator. Break the report on a country basis. Total 18 record. Then next country. Then next one is the Australia. It's a total number of record 20. Then next is the Australia. Here is the spelling. I change my book so that Australian report are come in a 2 part. Then is the country. Click on a next page and then come to the top section. Here is the Belgium, and so that it's creating a report. And again click on a next page. These are the reports of a 5, 6 on next pages. Next, the total number of record. Last is it's a USA. Total number of pages exist in a report are 20. So this way you can create a report, and if you want to print, just click on a print option. It will transfer to a printer. Close. Here is the end of the idea. Thank you.